guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video we are trying viral rice paper recipes. So let's get started. First disclaimer is that I am not a good cook. I can barely cook. It is not something to be proud of, but I am intending on working on my skill this year, and I've been doing a lot of food videos as part of that, which involves cooking, so I can get better and better. So if I make any mistakes, please, I'm sorry. I'm really trying to learn. Rice paper recipes are literally all over my feed, and I think it's just a new viral ingredient, and you can make so many things with that one thing. So we're gonna put it to the test whether it's actually yummy or not. Let's truly find out. The first recipe we have is the rice paper dumpling. I feel like such a trad wife in this outfit and the hair. Like, I just need a tray now. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is make pan fried dumplings. So let's do that. I'm gonna add some cabbage, some carrots, some green onions, some garlic, ginger. Oh, that's too much ginger. Add some red onions as well. Soy sauce, which is not opened, and some scrambled tofu, which I am just scrambling by hand for protein. Lighter nahi mil raha mujhe. Found it. I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil to cook the veggies. I don't know how long it takes to cook, but I'm gonna give it a good 2 minutes because that's how patient I can be. By the way, I'm making everything a single serve because I don't want to waste it. Like, मैं एक से ज़्यादा नहीं खाने वाली हूँ, whether I like it or not like it. So we're gonna be thoughtful about it. I'm taking 2 rice paper sheets and I'm gonna dip it in the water. This is gonna be my dipping plate, by the way. So one sheet is gone. But where do I make it? I don't know what you guys call this. ये है जिस पे रोटी बनाते हैं. We call it orasyu, and that is what I'm gonna make this on. So I'm gonna take my first sheet, put it on, add my veggies in the center. Ooh. And I'm gonna fold it. The recipe uses 2 sheets, so that's what we're gonna do. Dipping my second sheet in the water. Flip this. The dumpling itself is so hot already that I'm actually worried. It looks quite promising actually. Can you hear the sizzle? I'm so worried कि ये चिपक रहा है. Just immediately turning it. I will not let anything burn today. That is the goal. I'm actually gonna make a big plate of all the dumplings that we make today as a platter. Whoop! The first guy is in. I don't really like ketchup with everything, but I feel like इसके साथ अच्छा लगेगा. Let's try it. It looks nice and crispy. The shape is good. It has veggies, tofu. It's healthy. The rice paper is very chewy, for the lack of a better word. Like, it's very chewy. I don't like that. I think it's because we did 2 layers, so the rice paper is like thick. Not a fan of this, you guys. I'm gonna give this a 5 on 10. Next, we've got the rice paper chili noodles. This recipe is quite complicated, and I'm like 100% sure that I'm gonna mess it up. Like 100% sure. But I'm gonna try my best. So firstly, to make the rice paper noodles, I need 3 sheets. And we have to hydrate all of them. So in my water it goes. Sheet 1. Second sheet goes, and now time for the third sheet. Basically, this will stick the sheets together, making it a very thick noodle. So we do want that. Now you're supposed to coat the top and bottom with oil. So I'm gonna do that. I'm taking olive oil, extra virgin, just a dash of oil. There we go. Oiled. Now we flip all three of them together. No, no, no. Please don't break. Yes, there we go. Okay, I flipped it back. And I'm gonna add some more olive oil. So this is basically the base of our noodles, which is ready. Next, you're gonna take a knife and cut them into noodles. Isn't as fun as it looked, honestly. I'm adding some cold water, like fridge ka pani. And I really hope this doesn't ruin the noodles. I'm actually worried. Okay, I don't think it's gonna get ruined. I think oil ka coating hai, which is why they're gonna be fine. But ye bahut thick bane hai. I am little worried about that. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay, while these noodles chill, I'm gonna make the sauce. For the noodles, I just need some garlic, lots of chili flakes, sesame seeds. I don't love them, so I'm not adding too much, just like 1 or 2 pinches. Now it's time to heat some oil, which I'm a little scared about because, like, what if it jumps on me? I think it's bubbled enough. I'm gonna add it to this. Ooh. It's good. It's good. Let me show you. Quickly. My god, it smells so good. I'm gonna add the noodles in this directly. Okay, I'm actually excited for this one because it actually looks superb. The spice has just attacked my throat. You know what though? This is good. This is actually really yummy. What I feel is may come here is namak. Just a little bit of like salt to add more flavor. But otherwise, it's spicy, it's yummy. Health, though I don't know because of how much oil there is. But it's actually yummy. I think the garlic and the spring onions are really doing the extra work in this. I actually don't mind the taste of rice paper in this. It's not feeling as chewy as it did previously, even though iske 3 layers kiye hue hai. Not bad. It's good. I'm gonna give it a solid 7.5 on 10. Next, we've got the rice paper pancakes. This recipe is also very scary to me. Why is nothing in this easy? Oh my god. We're gonna make a rice paper pancake. And दूसरा packet मंगवाया because we ran out of rice paper. So I'm gonna like wet 1 sheet of rice paper in this while adding some oil to my pan. Very little this time. And letting it cook, basically. Rice papers here. Oh, no. Basically, it's too hot and it's too big for my pan. The rice paper is too big for my pan. Okay, let me figure. Oh, it fits somehow still. I feel like this is gonna be a fail because band gas pe bhi ye pura pichak gaya hai. I'm a little worried. I'm gonna add my cabbage on it, some carrots they've added. Spring onion seems to be a favorite of everyone, so we're gonna do that. It looks fine. I just am worried कि ये flip नहीं होने वाला. This is a skill issue. I'm trying to make the rice paper touch the heat ताकि वो seal हो जाए. It's not easy being a trad wife. It's time to get more professional and flip. I mean, I got something. I don't know if this will... It's not circular, but it's not bad. It is almost square, but it's shut and the veggies are staying inside. So that's good. अभी भी crispy नहीं हो रहा है. It's not turning brown at all. I think I'm gonna have to call this as it is because ये अभी फट रहा है. I'm gonna call this. This is what my pancake looks like. I'm gonna plate it and then we'll see. Next, we've got the pancakes. I'm truly apologetic for this one, guys. Like, ये तो मेरा ही fault है 100%. I am learning. I am trying. Hopefully, next time will be better. But let's taste it. Again, tastes very rice papery. And the veggies are not cooked because he didn't cook it. He just put it on the pan, flipped it, and that was it. He didn't cook the veggies previously like we did for the dumpling. So the veggies are actually raw. How is that fun for anybody to eat? Like, apart from skill issue, even taste issue is there. Also, there was no flavor in this dish. It was just plain veggies and rice paper, which is quite sad. Not a fan of this recipe. It's probably my least favorite. It's probably also my fault. So I'm gonna give it like a 3.5 on 10. For dessert, we've got rice paper mochi. Finally, a recipe which doesn't require the gas. Oh my god, let's go. I've got fresh dahi in one hand. I'm just gonna take a small bowl. In this, I'm gonna add dahi. 1 and 2 spoons of dahi. That's it. And to this, I'm gonna add a lot of mangoes. ये वाला recipe मैंने try किया हुआ है. By the way, I prefer it with ice cream over dahi. I don't know why, because it's sweeter, I guess. Mixture is ready. Now the same thing we've been doing. Take some rice paper, put it in water. It takes so long to get soft, but then the second I look away, it's soft already. Like, very dramatic. Okay. I'm going to pour our mixture on this. I'm taking as many mangoes as possible because yum. And I'm just going to fold it into a pocket. It's ready. Happy dance, dude. If I eat good food, you get to see a happy dance. The curd is not like sweet, but it's not sour either. The rice paper is there also, but it's fine. This is the good stuff. And it is hands down my favorite recipe in the whole video. Next, we've got pizza pockets. This recipe sounds ridiculously yummy. All I'm gonna do is take my rice paper again, wet it, of course. Onto this, I'm just gonna spread some pizza pasta sauce. That was a lot. And we're just gonna add some cheese. Now, I wanted that cheese lava effect. I don't know if we'll be able to get it, but I'm gonna try. So, I'm just making like blocks of cheese and putting it like this. Let's wrap it. I know people will be like, Arey Ashi, I think you did it because you're too lazy to grate cheese. And I just want to say to those people, yeah, but what if this is a better idea? Have you ever thought of that? No. मैं सोच रही हूँ इसको एक और कोटिंग दूँ कि नहीं. She didn't do it in her recipe, why should I? Nothing beats Amul cheese, dude. Like, sometimes I think about writing a love letter to Amul because of the cheese, the chas, the lassi, the butter. फट गया ये तो फट गया. Oh my god. But it looks good. फटा हुआ भी अच्छा लग रहा है. I think rice paper is very dramatic. कुछ भी हो, it's like, okay, stop it. Sorry. फट गया. Can't believe I just apologized to rice paper. This is what it looks like. I think it's gonna be good. Like, it's nice. The cheese is melting exactly like I expected it to. It's so good. And tomato-y. So the rice paper is a very chewy part. This tastes like margarita, but make it chewy. I don't mind it because I really like the filling inside. Also, it barely took any effort, which is my favorite thing about cooking. Can you add tofu and make it healthier? Yes. Can you add veggies to it also to make it healthier? Yeah, if you cook them before. There's potential in this recipe. I quite like it. I want to give it a good 8 on 10. I truly believe that this rice paper thing is a fad because there's no way people are using it forever to like actually make these recipes. They were not blowing my mind, neither were they easy, like if I see a recipe which is easy and quick and like on the go, I might want to make it again. This was just, everything was just hectic and it was not even that yummy. So I think it's a good fad, but I don't think we're going to see more of it in the future. Quote me on it. I think my most favorite was the rice paper mochi. You guys let me know which of these you would actually make and eat in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.